Hey everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an easy and delicious classic French toast. So let's get the recipe started. Alright, things obviously I'm going to crack the 2 large eggs. And we're going to add a quarter of a milk. You can also use a cream or half and half. Then I'm gonna add a 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar and just a pinch of salt. And of course, we need to add a 1 teaspoon or quarter of cinnamon and a quick splash of vanilla. Try to use the extract vanilla though. Okay, so just to make it sure all the eggs are completely smooth. So okay, as you can see guys, we need 5 slices of bread, not 4, for 2 eggs. Okay, medium-high heat here. So I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of vegetable oil as well as just a little pot of butter. So the reason why I add vegetable oil and butter is because I like the flavor, so that I do both. So just to make it sure your butter and oils are hot before you add a first piece of French toast. Otherwise, your French toast is gonna be stick. So before you split it up, just to make it sure it's already golden brown. Ayan. We have to do it again because we have slices of bread for 5 pieces of bread. Just to put the vegetable oil and the butter. And for me, I do not like soaked bread for French toast. Maybe you do. So mas okay po yung medyo hindi masyadong soak yung bread sa egg. Okay, so madali nyo lang po siyang ilagay sa egg. So like I said, sometimes it's better just to keep things simple, and French toast is one of those things. So pwede na po natin lagyan siya ng, what do you call that, syrup. So go ahead and give a recipe a try. If you do and you like it, go ahead, let me down below in the comments. If you like the video, be sure give a thumbs up and subscribe me for more delicious and keep updates on my latest video. So yan, pwede po natin ilagay yung powdered sugar. So ipa-flash ko po yung what kind of sugar. So now, pwede nyo pong iserve with bacon and egg. Okay. So very simple po ang ating breakfast for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Have a great day, guys.